This is HP wireless all-in-one laser printer. So I've been using this one for over 2 years. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic function and show you my experience. On the back, there are two parts. The one is the power connection. The second one is the USB connection. The cable is pretty long and you can connect it to your computer. And also you can choose the wireless connection, but I think the speed a little bit slow, so I prefer to hardwire connected to the computer. This printer is compact. The length is 15 inches and the width is only 11 inches, and let's see the height. The height is 11 inches. And here you can put a paper inside. It's very easy to load in the paper. It just covered it up. So since the day one I got this, I plugged this one into my computer. It's automatically installed the driver, so you don't need to do any setup. So let's print this page to see the quality. So I'm just going to print the page 1. So this is the quality. You see that for all the test, it's very crystal clear. And for the paper, I think the quality is alright for like a black and white. And the speed is super fast. You can print like 1 minute 20 paper. I just forgot the number, but it's super fast. And you can do the copy very easy. Put this one on the top. And here you press the button copy and it just starts copying. So this is the original and this is the copy. And then I'm gonna show you how to scan. So you just press the scan. So basically it's finished scanning, and let's check the image quality. Actually it's pretty clear. You see, I open it up and now it's I just keep zoom in. Now it's 180, 218, so I think quality is superb. It's no problem. You can read it super easily. Here you got LED light and it shows that how much toner left over. And here you see this is like a rubber cover. So if it runs out of the toner, you can buy like a tube. You can put the toner inside. It's very easy to use. So just buy the whole bottle and just push in. I like this all-in-one printer. It gives me the peace of mind. I never worry about if one day stop working or the quality have problem or have like a jam or whatever the problem like my previous printers. So I think this is a good buy, and it got all the functions: printing, copying, and the scanning, and working fast, reliable. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.